Hi! In front of me is iPad Air 5th generation Wi-Fi, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Now tap on Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. After that, wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this honor. Now you need to wait for the pop-up to show up and select Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by tapping on this little icon next to the device and choosing Disconnect. You can also tap on Forget this device if you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!